how to monetize your YouTube channel, make money on YouTube. Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to monetize your YouTube channel and start earning money. Whether you're just starting out or already growing your channel, this guide will walk you through the process. So make sure to watch till the end, and let's get started. To monetize your channel, you first need to meet YouTube's eligibility criteria. This includes having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours in the past 12 months. Alternatively, you can qualify with 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours if YouTube Shorts revenue is included. Once you meet the requirements, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program to start generating income. Once your application is approved, you can enable monetization on your videos and start earning through ad revenue, super chats, channel memberships, and even the YouTube Shorts Fund. Aside from ads, there are several ways to maximize your earnings. You can set up channel memberships, allowing subscribers to pay for exclusive perks, or receive super chats and stickers during live streams to increase engagement and revenue. To keep your monetization active, it's crucial to follow YouTube's policies and guidelines. Avoid copyright issues, create original content, and engage with your audience to grow your channel successfully. And that's how you can monetize your YouTube channel and start making money. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content. Also, drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.